Most people will never see what I'm about to show you. Not on YouTube, not on social media, and definitely not through their bank or financial advisor. Because the biggest money being made in Dubai real estate right now is happening in a part of the market almost nobody knows exists. Premium luxury transformation projects that have historically delivered 40 to 90% annual returns. Yes, 40 to 90%. That is incredible. I spent 15 years on Wall Street, and I learned one simple truth. The biggest returns always go to the people with access. Everyone else is left outside. That is exactly why I created the Luxury Property Investment Circle, a private investor membership that finally gives you access to opportunities that were once locked inside private networks and closed rooms. And right now, we have just received a brand new, very exciting project with the potential for outsized returns. These allocations fill fast. When they are gone, they are gone. If you want to put your capital into something real, something audited, and something with the potential to truly build wealth, then click the link, apply now, and speak to my team. This is the opportunity most people will never see, but you just did.